This video explores the legal intricacies of misrepresentation and mistake within contract law. Discover how these issues can affect the validity and enforceability of agreements. Misrepresentation is a statement made before a contract is formed. It is an untrue statement that induces another party to enter into a contract. If a contract is based on misrepresentation, it is voidable. Misrepresentation can be about a fact or law. Knowing these distinctions is crucial for legal clarity. Rescission is an equitable remedy for misrepresentation. It allows parties to return to their pre-contractual position. The innocent party must choose to rescind or affirm the contract. Generally, the party must notify the representer of rescission. If the representer is unreachable, rescission can occur through conduct. Damages for fraudulent misrepresentation are available in tort of deceit. The innocent party can recover all losses from the breach. For negligent misrepresentation, damages are under Misrepresentation Act. Innocent misrepresentation may allow monetary relief. Limiting liability clauses are strictly construed. There are three main types: innocent, fraudulent, and negligent. Innocent misrepresentation is made without knowing it was false. Fraudulent misrepresentation involves knowing deceit. Negligent misrepresentation arises from a duty of care. Each type has distinct legal consequences. Innocent misrepresentation occurs when a false statement is believed true. The claimant can pursue damages but not rescission. The misrepresentation must be material to the transaction. The other party must rely on the misrepresentation. The loss must benefit the other party. Fraudulent misrepresentation is a civil tort in contract law. It involves lying to induce a contract. The misrepresentation can be deceitful in various forms. It is made with the intent to deceive the other party. The other party's reliance leads to injury. Negligent misrepresentation involves reckless statements. The party making the statement lacks grounds for truth. It persuades someone to enter a contract. A car dealer's unfounded claims can be an example. Such misrepresentation has legal repercussions. Car and Universal Finance Company Ltd. v. Caldwell is key for rescission. Doyle v. Olby Limited highlights fraudulent misrepresentation. Howard Marine and Dredging Company Ltd. v. Ogden is crucial for negligent misrepresentation. Whittington v. Seal Hain is noted for innocent misrepresentation. Case law shapes the understanding of misrepresentation. Mistakes in contract law involve incorrect understanding. They can invalidate agreements. Operative mistakes can make a contract void at common law. Even valid contracts can be voidable in equity. Understanding mistakes is vital for contract validity. Mistakes are categorized as common, mutual, and unilateral. Common mistakes occur when both parties err. Mutual mistakes arise from misunderstanding each other's intentions. Unilateral mistakes involve one party's error. Each type affects contract validity differently. Common mistakes occur when both parties share the same error. They relate to fundamental facts. Such mistakes render contracts void ab initio. They often involve non-existent subject matter. Understanding these mistakes is crucial for legal clarity. Res extincta involves non-existent subject matter. Res sua concerns property ownership errors. Mistakes in performing contracts render them void. Mistakes about quality are not always void. Leading cases illustrate these principles. Mutual mistakes involve cross-purposes misunderstandings. They negate consent in contracts. Such mistakes render contracts void. Parties misunderstand each other's intentions. Legal clarity requires understanding mutual mistakes. Unilateral mistakes involve one party's error. The other party knows and exploits this mistake. Such mistakes negate consent. They render contracts void. Understanding unilateral mistakes is key for legal clarity. Unilateral mistakes can relate to contract terms. Hartog v. Collin and Shields is a leading case. Mistakes about identity can void contracts. Contracts inter absentees involve identity errors. Legal clarity requires understanding these cases. Contracts inter absentees involve identity errors. One party mistakes identity, not attributes. The contract is void if the other party knows. Contracts inter présence involve face-to-face errors. Legal clarity requires understanding these distinctions. Anson's Law of Contract is a key reference. Studies in Contract Law by Ayers provides insights. The Law of Contract by Collins is another resource. Understanding these references aids legal clarity. They are essential for contract law studies. Case studies illustrate contract law principles. They provide real-world applications. Understanding cases aids legal comprehension. They highlight practical implications of contract law. Legal clarity requires studying these cases. Misrepresentation affects contract enforceability. It can lead to rescission or damages. Understanding legal implications is crucial. Misrepresentation challenges contract validity. Legal clarity requires addressing these implications. Mistakes impact contract validity. They can render contracts void or voidable. Understanding these implications is crucial. Mistakes challenge contract enforceability. Legal clarity requires addressing these implications. In conclusion, misrepresentation and mistakes have a profound impact on contracts. Understanding their legal implications is crucial as they determine contract validity and enforceability. Thank you for watching this video.